when it comes to third-party router, you might spot like this one. This is the WRT 3200 ACM by Linksys. So one of the best out there. It's a dual band router with a very powerful CPU and a 512 memory. It means it can handle more transactions rather than your default ISP modem router. So that's why it's very encouraged to have a powerful router when at home. When you comes with a Internet of Things and you want to connect your TV, your laptop, your everything from the internet, then you need to have a specialized router. So when it comes to this, my choice is a Linksys WRT, a very simple and yet powerful and affordable Wi-Fi router. It's just a dual band router, but the power itself right now is enough for my needs. For the Wi-Fi 6 right now, I'm not looking into it because my devices are not yet Wi-Fi 6 capable. That's why the demand is not that much for the Wi-Fi 6. But I also have different routers to test at home for the Wi-Fi 6. But for this, my criteria is very simple. It can connect up to 50 devices simultaneously. So this is a MIMO device, multiple input, multiple output when it comes to Wi-Fi. And then for that, I also have a 4 ports gigabit Ethernet. So in here, I'll be connecting my television, my NAS or network attached storage. So here for the one port, you'll be connecting this towards your internet service provider router, LAN 1, and this one, you'll connect this. That's the only connection you'll need to connect this third-party router to the internet of your choice. And then also, I have a USB and a USB 1. So for the USB, I'll be using this for my storage device. So if you have for the NAS is required network access storage, so you'll use a gigabit Ethernet. But also you can use external hard drive that is connected directly through the router, and you'll be using it for the media streaming. So it is also capable of doing that. So don't worry, this router is very flexible when it comes to home solutions. Not only from that, it propagates very good, strong, and reliable signal. And also, the authentication when it comes to this router is very fast, like much faster than the ISP router. So that's why we are recommending everyone to purchase or invest on a very good router. One of the most in-demand investment right now is the router, because as you upgrade phones twice a year or yearly, the router gets left behind, leaving this a obsolete. So I recommend upgrading also your router for better internet experience. That's why, this one is much better than this one, because this default ISP router that is provided by internet service provider is just giving the basic services. Basic services. And also when it comes to MAC filtering, the other features that you want, it is very limited. While for this third-party router, you can use the Linksys app wherever you are. You're just connected through the internet, then you can connect to your router and provide security. Like you need to let someone access into your network. You can allow that as long as this is connected through the internet and you have the app itself. Okay, so that's this for this video. We're just recommending a third-party router for better internet experience. All right.